Hi, Miss Riza Gelomina. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good days, employer. My name is Riza Halomina. I'm 30 years old. I have 3 children, ages of 10, 5, and 4 months old. I am Catholic. I live in Antipolo City.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am, but I have working experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper. It started on June 2021 to November 2024. My main responsibilities and duties is taking care of the baby, the children, cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, and take care of 2 dogs and 1 cat.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, respectful, polite, honest, patient to the children, and a loving person too.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because of the employer in the Hong Kong is give higher salary and to sustain my children, ma'am. The needs of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I will talk to them, ma'am, that what he's doing is not nice and not good, and I will teach them good manners, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus goes round and round all day long.
What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, you will trust me to take care of your children, and I will treat you as a family member too. And I will promise to finish my contract, and I will stay to your family as long as you want. Thank you and have a nice day.